Ladies and gentlemen, listen, bro. Fuck the whole introduction, the whole motivation. Listen, today is the day. The countless nights that I fucking hated everything. 2 trainings a day, working out twice, 19 years old. People think I look 25. Do I give a fuck? Absolutely not. I don't care. And guess what? Today is the day, my friends, where Tristan Robinson is swapping out and dropping 300,000. Yes, we're not dropping 100K. We're not financing. We're not leasing. We're dropping 300K. I spent 220K and I'm giving this car in. So basically $320,000 is what I'm fucking spending on this shit. Not finance, sorry. Not leasing. It's gonna be a good day today. Right now, we are 21 minutes away from buying this car. Now, the plan for today, the big plan. So right now, I'm about to pick this shit up. I'm gonna show a bunch of things. Next, we're gonna go surprise my homie. I told him I'm already getting a G-Wagon. He already knows. But if you've ever seen a G-Wagon in person, let alone you're 19 years old, buying a fucking G-Wagon, those are 2 different things. So I'm gonna probably show his POV when I pull up. It's gonna be at night. It's gonna be fucking insane. It's gonna be crazy. You guys are gonna see that. Then after, we're gonna go to we're gonna go work out. We're gonna park and flex on fucking everybody. Because bro, when you work out 2 times a day, you're 19 years old. You're actually doing what you're supposed to be doing, bro. You can do whatever the fuck you want. You can flex. You can fucking. If I wanted right now to jerk off, bro, I could jerk off. But listen, today is a good day. Enough of this blabbing, all right? We got my brother over there. I don't know who the fuck that is. We're going right now to the dealership. We're about to drop off my fucking car. And we're about to pick up my brand new G-Wagon. And I got one thing to say. It's always a bad day to hate Tristan Robinson. I'm that motherfucker that... You're like, you know what? That dude's this. Every day in high school, I remember those days, if you know me well, which only one person does. Bro, back in the day, everybody was saying this, saying that, saying I'm a scammer, I'm this, I'm that. Tristan Robinson is just, I'm just that motherfucker you just can't cancel out. You don't count me out. Because guess what? When you don't see me coming, I just come. Yo, life is crazy, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. G-Wagon at 19, dropping 300 and basically $20,000. It's crazy. We pulling up. Where's that shit at, bro? If they have that shit parked outside, I'm pretty sure it's getting detailed and everything. But let's see. I don't even know where their shit is at. Oh, it's right here. It's on the left. It's over there. But we just purchased it. I think it's somewhere getting cleaned. I think it's in their shop. Yeah. Jeez, we are in the G-Wagon. Yo, this shit is crazy, bro. I'm like look at this shit. I'm like a real madman. Got this shit parked at a gas station that's hella cold out. Look how tough this shit looks. Temporary license because I don't even have that shit insured. But bro, in person or off it is one thing. But brother, if you're here in person, hold on, let me show y'all the interior. Look, from the clips you've seen, you can see how crazy this shit is. Hold up, open it back. Bro, brother. You telling me you're not getting fucked tonight? I don't believe it. But bro, take a look at this shit. This shit is crazy. You gotta slam these fucking doors. Big G-Wagon on the back. And not a loser. Bro, shit is absolutely crazy. I don't have a course. I don't have a mentorship. I don't have a, hey bro, these fucking doors you gotta slam. Bro, I don't have anything. I don't have a course. I don't have a mentorship, bruv. I'm 19 years old. I just bought a G-Wagon cash. No financing, no leasing, bruv. The only thing that I have is, if you look at the start of the video, I have a $1 a day group. That's it. I don't have 1,000, 3,000, 5,000. It's $1 a day. You get access to me, a group, a mentor. Imagine, you know all these dudes or these gurus that have like these one-on-one mentorships? You basically get the same thing for $1 a day. And if you join and you make no money, bruv, you get a refund. How the fuck do you lose? You literally can't. But enough yapping. Bro, this fucking whip is insane. I probably put some clips throughout the video, but bro, this shit in person, you're just like, look at the average car versus this, bruv. And the Mercedes logo as well comes out, I believe. Oh, I'm on the way home now, but bro, I gotta give y'all a sound. Look at this shit. You can't even hear it. Holy fuck. Bro, they do not play with the G-Wagon, I'll tell you this, bro. Let's look at this, ready? Hold on. Whoa! It's like a fucking snake, bro. Listen, bro, I'm 19 years old. I bought this shit cash. I work extremely hard. If you're watching this video, bro, it's possible, bro. I'm not gonna give you guys one of these motivations, but bro, 2-3 years ago, I was in high school, some dork, made no money, no physique, no nothing. Now I'm 19. I work out 2 times a day. Best condition of my life. Nobody can tell me shit. You know, you want to know why? Because when you work hard, nobody can tell you anything. Who's going to tell me anything? Oh, this, oh, that, bruv. I work out more than you. I have more money. I'm in better this, better that. I beat you in all aspects. And guess what, bro? That's the only way to win in this life. The only way in this life to win is just victory. It's just out shitting people. It's outperforming people. And the only thing they can look at is your success. That is it. Bro, just look at this shit. Look at this from my POV for a second. Look at this. Bruh. Bro, like, imagine this is your, bro, this shit is a fucking tank, bro. Look at this. We got this, all everything. Like, bro, I can't even steer my shit. Listen to this. Holy fuck. Bro. Ready? Bro, that's too fast. That is too fast for me to control, bro. G-Wagon, though. Ladies and gentlemen, that is going to put end to the video. We are about to go inside. We are about to work. We are about to get stuff done. But brothers, if you enjoyed this video, if you want to join my $1 a day group, learn a little bit more about what I do, you can check my Instagram. You can message me. I have no course. I have no mentorship. It's been Tristan Robinson, and this shit is crazy. Peace.